Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to find a solution to this interesting exponential equation. The x root of 2 divided by x minus 1 equal to x minus 1 raised to the power of x minus 2. And we are looking for that real value or values of x that can satisfy this equation. Let's get started. Remember that according to one of the laws of indices, if I have nth root of a, for example, this can be expressed as what? A raised to the power of 1 divided by n. Therefore, the whole of this can be expressed as 2 divided by x minus 1 raised to the power of 1 over x. So let me use this side. I have 2 divided by x minus 1 raised to the power of 1 over x. And the right hand side remain the same. X minus 1 to the power of x minus 2. Another law of indices, we stated that for every integer you have a divided by b, for example, raised to the power of n. This can be expressed as a to the power of n divided by b raised to the power of n. Therefore, we can write this as 2 raised to the power of 1 over x divided by x minus 1 to the power of 1 over x. Let's do that. So this is 2 raised to the power of 1 over x divided by x minus 1 raised to the power of 1 over x. The right hand side remain the same. X minus 1 to the power of x minus 2. Again, I would like to multiply both sides by this denominator just to clear the fraction, leaving only 2 raised to the power of 1 over x to the left. And this equals x minus 1 to the power of x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 1 to the power of 1 over x. So we have just multiplied the both sides of the equation by this denominator x minus 1 to the power of 1 over x. Observe, we have common bases. And according to one of the laws of indices, if I have a to the power of n multiplied by a to the power of m, this is the same thing as a to the power of n plus m. Just take a single base and add the exponents. So we have 2 raised to the power of 1 over x equals x minus 1 raised to the power of what? X minus 2 plus 1 over x. We have just added the exponents. All right, now I want to get rid of this exponent 1 over x. And how can we do that? By simply multiplying this by x, multiplying this by x, because multiplying the both exponents by the same term or by same value will not change the exponents. They will remain, the equation will remain equivalent, right? So this x will cancel this x, leaving 2 here. And this is equal to x minus 1 raised to the power of this x times x will give us x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. 1 over x times x will give us 1. If you observe, this is a quadratic expression, a perfect squared quadratic expression. Why? Because the coefficient of x is negative 2. Half of that will give us negative 1. And if you square negative 1, you have to get positive 1. And hence, we say that this is a perfect squared quadratic expression, which can be factorized as what? X minus half of this, that is negative 1, all squared. So we have 2 equals x minus 1 raised to the power of x minus 1 raised to the power of 2. Because x minus 1 to the power of 2 is the same thing as this. Let's move to the other side. So from here, I know that I can express this 2 as what? Square root of 2 raised to the power of square root of 2 raised to the power of 2. Should I explain it? All right, let me do that here. If you have something like this, to simplify it, you have to start with this one. And you know that square root of 2 to the power of 2 is nothing but 2. So you are left with what? Square root of 2 to the power of 2, which is again equal to 2. Therefore, the whole of this tower will result to 2. This is just logical. We have x minus 1 to the power of x minus 1 to the power of 2. Just relate the terms. 2 and 2 will cancel automatically, which means what? Root of 2 to the power of root of 2 is equal to x minus 1 raised to the power of x minus 1. Both the base and its exponents are the same, which means what? This x minus 1 must be equal to square root of 2. Our main goal is to find x, so we can take negative 1 to the other side. Therefore, x equal to the square root of 2 plus 1. Final answer. The value of x in this equation is square root of 2 plus 1. An assignment for you is to test this in here to find out whether the left and the right hand side are exactly the same. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.